welcome to my channel, where we do a lot of art craft photos. Today, we're going to do something really different. We're going to do a science project photo. It's named Oobleck. What is Oobleck? Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid that does not follow the physics law of water. The kids are going to be amazed with me, and we'll learn about physics. Let's do it! Lero, the Oobleck is ready. This is a non-Newtonian fluid that, if you grab and apply force, is solid, and then without force, it's liquid. Other non-Newtonian fluids are quicksand, ketchup, honey, cosmetics, blood. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a lot of fun with the kids with the Ooblecks. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye! Adios! See you soon!